Hi, I am Apple. I just arrived. When you eat me, I travel inside you.
I do not sit still. I start working right away. This place is your blood. It carries life everywhere, and I am here to help. Sometimes your blood paths get dirty. Too much junk makes them tight. I do not like that, so I clean. I gently sweep the bad stuff away. See that? It starts to shine again.
When the path is clean, your blood moves free, and your heart feels happy.
I also bring natural power, not fast fake power, real power. The kind your body understands. When your cells feel tired, I wake them up. I help them glow again, and you feel fresh. Your heart works every second. It never stops. So I stand with it.
I help keep things smooth. I help keep things strong. When blood flows easy,
Your heart smiles, and when your heart is strong, you feel alive. I am simple. I am natural. I am strong in my own quiet way. You do not need something loud. You do not need something fake.
sometimes you just need me. So next time you see me,
Remember who I am. I am your little red helper.
hey, I am packaged chips. You like my crunch? I taste salty. I feel fun, but I am not your friend. When you open me, I enter fast, and I start my game. I leave sticky grease behind. It stays on your teeth. It makes them weak. Little cracks begin. Shine starts to fade. You may not see it now, but I am working slowly. I do not stop in your mouth. Oh no, I travel deeper. I bring heavy grease. I stick it on your blood paths. They get tight. You feel tired sometimes? That might be me. I do not give real power. I steal it. I take your glow. I look small. I look harmless. But I add up. Again and again, day after day, you choose to open the bag. I do the rest. So next time you see me, think twice.